pretty disappointed and I'm sad, even though I think I expected it. Look at them passing me. Police everywhere. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Your girl surrounded by a bunch of noise this morning because I am up and about. So much is happening today. It's kind of crazy, but I am on my way alone with Tyler to go catch baby in town to have a lunch date because he's actually working this morning. It's Saturday. He's working this morning, which he doesn't normally do, but he had to go and see a client this morning, so he's in office. So I'm going to catch lunch with him, and then in town is going to be super busy and super chaotic today because there's a festival happening for the next 2 weeks, I think. So in town is gonna be crazy busy. We should be heading to the festival probably today, hopefully, so that should be interesting. And then also later this afternoon we should be heading to the supermarket. We have so much things to get done today, but it's a very eventful day. I'm looking forward to have you guys enjoying this vlog. Tyler is actually here sitting in his stroller. Say hello. Hey, say hello. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? And he actually wants to nap. I'm sure by the time he gets in the bus he's going to start napping. Yeah? Oh, mwah. Bye-bye. You're telling them bye-bye? Bye-bye. So he wants to nap, so I'm sure he's going to nap in any minute. But we are heading to town. I'm actually at the bus stop waiting to get the bus. I also want to go and get my Valentine's gift today, but I want to get his gift before I meet up with him for lunch. So I want to reach town in time, so I'm going to take a bus from here and drop me down by where the beach is, and then I'm going to take a bus from there and head to town, try to find a Valentine's gift for babe. I really don't want him to know what I'm getting, so I want to get him his gift before I meet him up for lunch. So that also have to get done today. It should be a very eventful day, and we're looking forward to it, to spend the day with you guys as usual. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's vlog. Oh, the Jamaican term for today is Miguel. Meaning, this phrase is normally used by females, and it also is used to refer to a female. For example, it's always used to refer to somebody who you're close to. So for example, let me use it in a term. Let me use it in a sentence and let you understand what it means. So let me explain to you. For example, my friend Elaine Thompson, who is an Olympian, everybody should know who Elaine Thompson is. So if somebody probably asks me a question like, "Hey Mel, I didn't know that you know Elaine Thompson," and my response would be, "Yes, I'm Miguel," or "I'm Miguel that." So it is used to refer to females in a nice way. Also used by a lot of artists in their songs, acknowledging females while they're dancing. It's just a Jamaican thing. It's just a Jamaican culture, and it doesn't mean anything bad. So it's just used by females and referring to females. So if somebody asks you like, "Hey, do you know that girl?" you say, "Yes, I'm Miguel." So there you have it. Make sure you get it. You get it? Make sure you get it. That's the term for today. and I'll have Babe say it for you later. He's going to enjoy saying this one because it's one of his absolute favorite. It's one of his absolute favorite things to say. He's so crazy. So alright you guys, let's enjoy this vlog. So funny. What's so funny? You have an imaginary friend? Do you have an imaginary friend?
Just on my bag.
We're out here in the cold. Babe has joined me for lunch. We had lunch and still trying to find the rest of Babe Valentine's gift. I find most of what I wanted, but there's just one more thing that I need to find. Hopefully I can find it. Also just went and pick up some stuff that I need for the house, so that's done. That's awesome. The place is full like crazy because sale is still on, and the first part of the festival just finished. I get to understand. A second part is not finished?
No, it started 20 minutes ago.
Okay, so this festival thing is all kind of confusing to me, but anyways, I think there is. It's not festival, it's carnival. Okay, so this is a carnival that is going on. And it's a carnival for how long, babe?
About 2 weeks and a half until Mardi Gras.
Okay.
Mardi Gras should be the last.
Carnival until Mardi Gras in 2 weeks. So all kind of shows and stuff will be going on. And I got to understand that one started about 2 o'clock a few minutes ago, but we're not gonna go to that one. And there's another session at 8 tonight, and we're not gonna go to that one either today because we didn't plan on it. You guys, I had to stop just now because I saw a store I could get Babe final gift that I wanted to get him. So my Valentine's shopping is officially done. Come babe. Valentine's shopping is officially done, so that's good. But the road is crazy because there's so much people out here. If you can see in front of me, there's so much people as far as the eyes can see going up there. And Babe says today is the flower parade. I guess they're throwing flowers and dancing and all that things going on up there. So we're not gonna go today because we didn't plan on it. No, not that we didn't plan on it, but we didn't buy any ticket, and we don't plan on going when we have Tyler stroller. It would be too chaotic. So plan on going when we have minimum things. And today I really wanted to get his gift and get some stuff for the house, so we did that, and we're just going as close as possible. So the thing about this carnival is, if you go in full costume, you go in free. So there are people in costumes. A girl just passed me in an avatar costume and she's the cutest ever. I want to go as close as possible so I can see some of these costumes and see what this carnival is all about. But it seems pretty fun, and I'm looking forward to go one of these days just to experience what's going on. I wish I could go every day, but heck, I have to. Well, like I said, you can go in free if you have on full costume, but I can't go by myself and Tyler. It's gonna be too much for me, so I want to go in. Baby's there. But let's see what's going on. Security is tight. Police and soldiers like crazy. All I've been seeing all day since I'm walking is police and soldiers, and you guys can hear the noise behind me. There's so much people out here. There's people in their costumes, and it's just super adorable, you guys. Really, really adorable. I can't wait to go. So I'm pretty disappointed and I'm sad, even though I think I expected it. I know I expected it, but I wanted to give the benefit of the doubt. I went to this play area for kids behind me because I really wanted Tyler to go on the trampoline, to just jump around and bounce about and have a little fun. But the kids are not allowed unless they're 3 years and older. even though I really don't want him to grow up. Time like this, I wish he was 3 years old, because you see all the other kids having fun. And I really wanted him to go and have a little fun and jump around and, you know, do the kid things. And he can't do it. So, hurry up and grow, baby boy. No, security is tight. When I say the security is tight, look at them passing me. Police everywhere. But that's good. You kind of feel a bit more safe. And now we have to walk along the beach a long way, because no bus can't come all the way up here because of the carnival that's going on. So let's get walking. Hey, come through lighting, you guys. We're back home from town, from the chaos, from all that crowd, and we're on the move again in the car this time. We are heading to the supermarket to get our weekly run done. So baby's changed from work outfit and matching again as usual. Babe, guess what's the word for today? Guess what's the expression for today?
If I tell you.
No. That one can be for tomorrow. The expression for today is Miguel.
Miguel.
Say it.
What's up, Miguel?
He said, what's up, Miguel? I tell you guys that he enjoys saying this one so much, because he always hear me talking to my girlfriends when we're on the phone from back home, and I always refer to them as Miguel, or when we're talking, you all say, yes, Miguel. So babe always laugh. I said, what does that mean? So ever since I explained to him what it means, he loves saying it. So he always say, you are Miguel. He's so funny. I just love hearing this man talk Jamaican. It's not even funny. But make sure you guys get the Jamaican expression for today. Miguel. Yes, yeah, Miguel. Be Miguel.
You know my girl.
Oh, you be me and your girl.
No, you're my wife.
You're so right. You better. Alright, you guys. We're on our way, heading to the supermarket to run some errands. So let's go. been a absolutely amazing but long eventful day. The boys are sleeping. Bed sleeping, Tyler sleeping. Everybody's all knocked out except my crazy hair. And I'm about to knock out any minute. I'm gonna take all this face off, okay, and get me some rest because these eyes are about to fail me in a minute. So we went to the store, went to the supermarket. The afternoon was super busy, so I didn't even get to vlog the way the streets were busy. The mall was so busy, so we just shopped, get our stuff, and then we went and picked up some food for dinner. We came home and we had dinner and put Tyler down for bed. And weekend is normally the time where I spend to talk to my family. I was FaceTiming my family for the past 3 hours, and it's always good catching up with them on the weekends. You know, it's never easy when you're away from your family, so when you get to catch up with them, you guys have so much to talk about, and it's always good to catch up with them. My in-laws, my brother, my nieces, my sisters, and my mom and my dad and everybody else. So I'm just coming on to end the vlog. Make sure you guys catch up with the expression for today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. And if you do, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. And if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. If it's not your first time watching, thanks for always coming back. We love and appreciate every single one of our faves. And catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.